Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam. So good evening, everyone. Today, our group will present a topic about voter behavior, why people vote the way they do. The presentation discusses the factor that influence voting decision, especially among young voters in the 2024 Indonesian general election. We are from Group A. The member of our group are David Julio, Bapak Samudra, Muhammad Jaya. Each of us contribute to research, analyze, and preparation of this presentation. Elections are a fundamental pillar of democracy because it is through the process that the people determine the direction of national leadership and public policy. One of the groups that play a crucial role in 2024 election is first-time voters. Most of whom come from Generation Z. They are characterized by unique and high engagement in digital space. Active use of social media yet still in the process of forming their political orientation. In the 2024 election, young voters emerged as a highly influential demographic that significantly shaped the dynamics of national politics. According to data from General Election Commission (KPU) Komisi Pemilihan Umum, the number of voters from Generation Z reached approximately 48 million, representing 2028 of the total registered electors. Meanwhile, millennials constitute the large voting bloc with around 98 million voters, or 33 of the national voter population. Combined, these two groups account for more than million voters, equivalent to 56 and 58 of the total electorate. This demographic dominance underscores that more than half of all voters in 2024 election were held by members of the younger generation. Given their substantial electoral weight, the political behavior of Gen Z and millennial voters play a crucial role in shaping the overall political landscape. This generation are characterized by intensive engagement within digital space, active use of social media, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and rapid access to political information.
Okay, water behavior. So let's move through water behavior applet mesh. Water behavior refers to the choice individuals make during elections and more importantly, decision making process with to choice individuals that kind of voting votes in early with information missing discussion with press evaluating politic program and forming impression about candidates. Her approach to voter behavior, the sociology approach address the social structural everything influencer voting decision. They include family background, religion, social class, and community environment. For example, if some grown up in a family that consistently support a particular party, they are related to about similar press. The psychological approach on emotional and aspect. Here, water behavior is spread by party in the identification candidate image politics and long-term family quality cultural growth. The, the rational choice approach use water and logical decision making. The approach can fully without water comparing alternative and choice offers the greatest benefit.
Okay, we are now talking about factor influencing voter behavior. Voter behavior is not formed in isolation. It is shaped by a combination of factors that interact with one another throughout a person's life. First, there are socioeconomic factors such as education, occupation, and income level. Individuals with higher levels of education, for example, tend to have greater access to political information, which often leads to more critical and rational decision-making process. Meanwhile, person's job and income can affect how strongly they feel connected to certainly government programs or policy issues. Second, political factors play a major role. These include These include voter level of political knowledge, their interest in public issue, and their trust in political institutions. Voters who are more politically informed and engaged usually put more effort into seeking information and evaluating candidates before making choice. Third, environmental environmental or social factors also exert strong influence. Family, community leaders, and the surrounding social environment can shape the way individuals view political issues. In many cases, family political preference serve a primary reference point, especially for younger voters who are still forming their political identity. In addition, cultural values such as belief about leadership, democracy, and political ethics contribute to shaping an individual's political attitudes. For instance, cultures that emphasize social harmony may push voters to favor candidates who are perceived as stabilizing and unflying figures. Ultimately, these structures do not work independently. They overlap, interact, and influence one another, creating a complex process that leads to the final decision inside the voting booth. Who will I vote for? Okay, uh, the conclusion about the presentation is voter behavior is shaped by social, political, and rational factors. Family, religion, and community influence choice, while emotional attachment to candidates or parties also matter. Rational considerations such as programs, track records, and personal public interest instantly guide decisions. For first time, voters in 2024 election studies show a shift towards more rational choice, with social media playing a significant role in providing information and shaping preference. For the recommendation, is it important for the government, election organizer, and educational institution to continuously exchange political education for first-time voters? This education should go beyond the technical aspects of election and emphasize the development of critical thinking, media literacy, and a clear understanding of candidates, programs, and track records. Social media should be leveraged as a positive and responsible tools for political education. Efforts